My Career Design Studio is your virtual workshop where you can design and start to build your future. Like any accomplished artist, you need to know the raw materials you work with, inside and out. For a mosaic artist, this would be the tessera, the tiles, all the components of your mosaic. For a career designer, your raw materials are you, your purpose, your passion, your value, skills, and interests. This is the foundation for your artistic masterpiece, your future career. Once artists truly know their raw materials, then they can start playing around, trying out ideas, drawing them out in informal napkin sketches. This way, they see what they like, they compare and contrast, and they make sure that they love their idea before they actually start designing it. Because once they start their masterpiece, they start making decisions about what they want to do next. To complete their work of art, they need to commit. The same is true for career designers. To design and build your future, you need to focus. This happens after you know yourself better and have researched your options and when you love the future you are creating. All great artists have high quality and appropriate tools that they work with. They don't try to chisel out a sculpture with a paintbrush. Your career creation tools are your accomplishments and strengths, which you can then turn into a resume, LinkedIn profile, cover letter, or interview responses. Finally, once you've built the future that you've designed, you'll store your accomplishments in your portfolio. All artists keep records and pictures of their work, and the savvy career designer does too. What else can you find in your virtual workshop? An artist assistant to remind you of due dates and to keep you on task. An art critic who turns your self-doubt into concrete steps you can take to overcome obstacles. But what will you be doing when you're in your career design studio? Let's take a peek and see. Each step of your creative journey has different activities for you to complete, 32 in all. Your first activity in raw materials gives you a chance to think about your purpose, your reason for designing your career. As you think about each question, your information is stored and shows up in future activities. Just like an artist, you start with the broad brushstrokes, and you will refine your work later. Once you've filled out everything, click on Submit. Congratulations! You've just earned some tiles for your masterpiece mosaic. If you want to record any ideas you have from doing this activity, you can do so here, and then go on to the next one. The second activity becomes a cornerstone of your career mosaic. It is a simplified version of the Myers-Briggs assessment, which you may already be familiar with. Go through the questions, select the most appropriate answer, then click on Submit when you've finished with everything. Now you'll see your attributes and preferences that are associated with your responses. Choose the career design essentials, the aspects that you want in your next job or future career, from this list. Next, which strengths best describe you? Do you see any challenges that describe you? Choose those too. Once you've submitted your responses and answered or skipped the reflection portion, you can either go on to the next activity or see how your virtual mosaic is shaping up. Each activity will earn you more tiles, and each stage that you complete will add those tiles to your mosaic. You'll see the entire mosaic with a customized message for you once you've completed all activities from the raw materials all the way through to the career creation tools. Your mosaic will continue to grow as you add to your career design portfolio. Designing and building your career is one of the most important creative acts of anyone's life. Use My Career Design Studio as your virtual workshop, playground, refuge, and retreat. All artists need a space to create their masterpiece. You do too. Welcome to My Career Design Studio.